Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can log into your Happy Scribe. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you would have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And after opening your browser, now go to the search bar and start typing www.happyscribe.com. After you have typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Happy Scribe. And now in here you can see there is the option of sign in just right here. Simply click on it. And after you've done that, now here you can see these options. And if you have signed up your Happy Scribe account with your Google, you can click on this option, continue with your Google. And if you have signed up with any other SSO, you can click on this option. But if you have signed up your account manually like me, you can type in your email address in here. And after typing down your email address, now click on continue. And now a link will be sent to your email. So simply just open the inbox of your email. Here you can see this is the inbox of my email and Happy Scribe has sent me an email. Simply click on it. And in here you can see this is the option of click here to log in. Click on it. And after you've done that, here you can see you are now being logged in. And just like this, you have now successfully been logged into your Happy Scribe account. And on the left side here, on the bottom here, you can see your email address and you would now know that you have been successfully logged into your Happy Scribe account. And that is it. That is how you can log into your Happy Scribe account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.